So this is beautifully explained. On a tree there are two birds sitting. One is eating the fruit, another is just watching. So in the tree of life, there are two minds, two consciousness. One is the self, which is just witnessing. The other is the other part of consciousness, which is eating, which is drinking, which is engaging in all the activity, which is feeling miserable, happy, angry, jealous, upset. All this is okay. One bird is watching. You just be with that bird which is watching. Even remembering that is a relief for this. No, our whole effort is to get rid of the quality of this bird, which is eating, which is angry, which is making noise and all that. Leave it to itself. Through mind, you cannot repair your mind.